Hey guys, it's been a while. So a few weeks ago I started working on this game called WarGames. And the goal was to make a first-person shooter in Godot that was not garbage and that had some more conventional modern FPS tactics in it. For example, gun tilting, clipping, just made it... Well, I wanted it to be more of a polished FPS compared to some of the ones out there already. And it's going amazing. I mean, so far, it plays smoothly. My code is performant. Everything's going really well. And I even have multiplayer implemented. Very basic player rotation scales, but I have a lobby system. I have a room system. I have a full server system where one server can have multiple rooms and lobbies and players in it. I have a system implementing for guns. It's super modular, works both online and offline, same script. I mean, basically everything about this is great. And the coolest part is everything is customizable, including the gun. The gun is completely customizable. You can change everything about the gun, and whatever you have changed about the gun actually affects how it shoots. Like if you have a long-range muzzle, it will make your bullets have less bloom and longer range, but also more knockback. I mean, there's so much stuff I've been doing, and it's really, really going well. So I'm going to release a small alpha test just for shooting, and I just want to see how it goes. And just please give me any feedback. And yeah, it'll be on my itch.io page. Feel free to download it and play it. And again, the game is super lightweight because it's made in Godot. That's the whole point. And yeah, the goal is to make a paintball-style game made in Godot. But yeah, it should be good, and I will be updating you on it.